Hello, welcome to another Olympiad math video. So in this video we have 25 to the power of x minus 15 to the power of x is equal to 9 to the power of x. So before we get started, please subscribe and like this video so I can keep making more videos. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to divide by 9 to the power of x, both sides. So what that's going to do is we're going to cancel out our 9 to the power of x, which will leave us with 1. And we'll also, well, this is what it'll look like. We'll have 25 over 9 to the power of x minus 15 over 9 to the power of x is equal to 1. We can move that x up top because when you have a base over a base and they share the same exponent, you can move that exponent to the outside. So now that we've done that, let's simplify these fractions. So 25 over 9 can be rewritten as 5 over 3 squared, and 15 over 9 can be rewritten as 5 over 3. So we'll have our 5 over 3 squared to the power of x minus 5 over 3 to the power of x equal to 1. Now, using exponent properties, we can move the 2 and the x, those two exponents, we can have those swap positions. Because if we were to solve for this, we would just be saying 2 times x, which means we can also say x times 2. So that'll look like this. We'll have our 5 over 3 to the power of x, which is squared, minus our 5 over 3 to the power of x. Now that we have both 5 over 3 to the power of x, we're going to set that equal to y. So we're going to say y is equal to 5 over 3 to the power of x. And we can also agree that y has to be greater than 0, because no exponential value would make 5 over 3 less than 0. So to solve for this, well, let's write this out. So we'll have y squared minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So we subtracted the 1 from the right side and moved it over. So to solve for the y value, we're going to plug this into the quadratic equation. Now, I've worked through that in a lot of other videos, so I'm not going to put that all through. But if you were to plug this into the quadratic equation with your a, b, and c values, you'd end up with a y value of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. So if you have any questions about how to use a quadratic formula, you can look at some of my other videos where we break it out a little bit. But now that we know that, and we know what y equals in that situation, we can put our two y values equal to each other. So we have 5 over 3 to the power of x is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Now, to solve for this, we're going to set both sides, and we're going to apply natural log to both sides. So we'll have natural log of 5 over 3 to x is equal to natural log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. So we got a clean slate over here, that same equation on the top left. And now we're going to apply two log properties to this situation. So we have natural log of m over n is equal to natural log of m minus natural log of n. So we can simplify our fractions using that. And now we're also going to use an exponent property with our natural log of a to the power of x is equal to x natural log of a. So we can move our x to the front. So if we do all of that, we'll have x natural log of 5 minus natural log of 3 is equal to natural log of 1 plus square root of 5 minus natural log of 2. So our last step here is we just want to get x by itself. So if we just divide the left side by natural log of 5 minus natural log of 3, we will get our final answer. Natural log of 1 plus square root of 5 minus natural log of 2 all over natural log of 5 minus natural log of 3. So if you have any questions, please comment down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more videos.